Your students will be so happy when they hear boat pose in this class. Restorative boat is such a luxurious pose with all kinds of props. So let's see the setup. We're going to start with 2 big bolsters, 4 blocks, and a strap. We want a loop already in the strap, and 2 eye pillows. We'll place the eye pillows on either side and then set up both sides of the boat. We'll start with a block on the second height and then 1 block on the tall height a few inches away. Notice how I place the bolster on the ground first and then lay it over the blocks. And then leaving space for the hips in between the 2 structures, we'll set up the blocks on the other side by first measuring the bolster. So leaving a little space there, then placing the block on the second height and then the tall height. That's right. Next, we'll come in between the 2 structures with the hips and have our belt ready and our 2 eye pillows right on either side of us. Thread both legs in through that loop and place them up on top of the bolster and lay back. Once both legs are through, tighten the belt to keep the legs nice and secure so they can relax. When you lay back, elevate the pelvis to tuck the tailbone under so that the flesh of the buttocks is not cramping the lumbar spine. Place an eye pillow in each hand and relax. To come out of the pose, first loosen the belt around the legs, bend one knee and step the feet on the ground, rolling over onto the right side off the bolsters, and you're through. Great work!